unexpected turn of events, ladies and gentlemen.
The judge overseeing the Delphi double murders case announces a huge development. We'd expected to see the suspect Richard Allen in court this afternoon with his defense team discussing several potential outstanding issues. But instead,
the defense attorneys have withdrawn their representation of Mr. Allen. Obviously, without counsel, Mr. Allen's hearing cannot proceed.
Tonight, we're asking what's next in the fight for justice for Abby Williams and Libby German. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Birchelle Edmay. Richard Allen was supposed to go on trial for the murders of the Delphi teens in January. Now he needs new lawyers and a new trial date. Now his attorneys withdrew from this case with no explanation, but the decision comes after a big leak of evidence in the case.
Here we have team coverage tonight on how we got to this point and where we go from here. We start with Fox 59's Max Lewis, who was in the Allen County courtroom in Fort Wayne where today's proceedings took place.
It was a very short hearing at the Allen County Courthouse here in Fort Wayne today. As we were sitting and waiting for the proceeding to begin, you could begin to just sense that things were not going according to plan. Before the hearing even began, there was a flurry of activity in the back halls of the courthouse. Richard Allen's wife was called back at one point, and cameras briefly captured his now former defense attorney, Andrew Baldwin, who never entered the courtroom. Then Allen's other former defense attorney, Brad Rosie, came out and asked to speak to Richard Allen's family, and they never returned. When the hearing finally got underway nearly 30 minutes late, only the prosecution was there, and Judge Fran Gall gave a stunning explanation as to why.
We've had an unexpected turn of events, ladies and gentlemen. Earlier this afternoon, the defense attorneys have withdrawn their representation of Mr. Allen.
Judge Gall gave no reason for the withdrawal, but it follows a recent major leak of crime scene photos by a former associate of Andrew Baldwin's. Baldwin had his own lawyer with him today, Indianapolis defense attorney David Hennessy. In documents just filed this morning, Hennessy said Baldwin was not responsible for the leak and wrote that his client was, quote, snookered and abused, arguing that he should remain Richard Allen's lawyer.
I would be curious as to what happened between this morning when Baldwin was clearly ready to fight and when he decided to withdraw.
The Murder Sheet podcasters were the first to expose the evidence leak. They were surprised as everyone that both attorneys withdrew, even though the leak was tied to only one of them.
It's definitely a shocking turn of events, but not an entirely unexpected one given the severity of this leak, and I think the withdrawals really speak to the recognition that this was quite a serious breach.
Several witnesses were in court prepared to testify, including Carroll County Sheriff Tony Liggett and State Police Superintendent Doug Carter. But with no counsel for Allen, the hearing that was supposed to happen today couldn't proceed. Judge Gall said she will begin the search for new attorneys right away.
I've also asked the defense attorneys to cooperate with successor counsel. They're not required to do that, but I think that they will in the best interests of Mr. Allen.
All the major players in this case had nothing to say as they left the courthouse today, citing that ongoing gag order. Judge Fran Gall sent Mr. Allen back to the Westville Correctional Facility, where he will stay until his next court hearing that is right now scheduled for October 31st. Now, obviously, the original trial date in this case in January is no longer on the table. New trial date, new timeline, and hopefully some new attorneys will be decided at that hearing later this month. In Fort Wayne tonight, Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.